Hi, today I'm reviewing the KADES smartwatch band. This one is a leather band in brown, and it is for my Apple Watch Series 2. And I believe this fits any Apple Watch. I've got a 42mm watch, and I believe that definitely makes a difference for the size across here. Otherwise, the length of this would fit any wrist, small or large. It's nice and long, and then there's lots of different holes. And right here is around the area I need, because I have a smaller wrist. So just to give you a closer view of it, the stitching is very nice. The leather smells wonderful. And when it comes to you, you're going to notice that it's very stiff. So what I suggest you do is take this portion and just do some flex moves with it to kind of get it a little loosened up. And so it's a little bit softer, and I'm sure over time it'll get even softer. So it just sits more comfortably on your wrist. And then these little bands help to hold the other one around the wrist, and they slide as much as you need them to for the watch. And I'm glad there's two of them, because one of them I need at the end and one probably right around here. So let's see what this beautiful leather watch band looks like on. We'll be back in a minute. And here we have the leather watch band on. Fits nicely, as you can see. I've got one of the little bands all the way at the end to hold that long piece down there, and one about in the middle. It's comfortable, and note to self, do not wear it in the shower with the waterproof watch. Remember to take it off. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Again, this was the KADES smartwatch band, brown leather for the Apple iWatch, series probably 1, 2, or 3, but definitely, I can say from personal experience, for the series 2. Have a good night. Thanks again for taking the time to listen and watch my video. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!